The original L3P Sonic Sifter is Advent Manufacturing's precise versatile sieving instrument perfectly suited for your research and quality assurance applications. Dry particle analysis can be accurately performed using our unique 3-inch diameter clear acrylic frame CIVS in a wide range of US standard woven wirecloth sizes. Electroform Vision CIVS can take your analysis even greater depths, providing separations as fine as 3 microns. The patented oscillating air column tries particles 60 times per second, while the vertical tap from below helps break up agglomerates and reduces sieve blinding. The sieving action is widely adjustable for your varied media densities and textures. Samples in powdered, granular or pellet form are quickly and efficiently separated with no worries of particle attrition or screen. Where up to a 90% reduction in test times over other sieving methods is possible. The L3P Sonic Sifter does not require calibration, is virtually maintenance-free, and digital timing ensures repeatable results. We recommend only a qualified certified manufacturing technician service your L3P Sonic Sifter. If you have performance or operational questions, please contact the team at Certified MTP or consult the operation setup manual. For additional Certified MTP product and instructional videos, please visit our website at certifiedmtp.com.